Hey guys, welcome back to Filmora Mobile Course Season 2 and you are watching the episode number 4. Today we are going to talk about how to shoot cinematic videos using your smartphone and also edit it using the Filmora Mobile app on your smartphone itself. So let's get started. You can transform any shot into cinematic shot using slow motion. If you can't find the option in your phone, don't worry, with the Filmora Mobile app you can do it. I will show you that in the editing part of today's video. Slow motion also takes care of any kind of shaking, and even a simple running video can become cinematic with music. So this is the first tip for you guys. I will talk more about it in the Filmora video editor. When you are transitioning from one scene to another, you can use objects like a lamppost, wall, or a tree, or maybe simply your hand. Shoot two videos spanning the same direction, like here I am using a lamppost and also a wall. Then stitch the two videos in the Filmora mobile app. I will show you how to do that later. If you're shooting yourself, use a selfie stick and try different angles like drone shot or upper shot. Once again, slowing down stabilizes the video and also makes it a little bit more cinematic. You can try different angles with your phone. The most common camera movement is panning horizontally or vertically using speed curves on the Filmora mobile app. It gets very interesting. After you have shot the videos, download and install the Filmora mobile app for your Android as well as iPhones. Select and import your videos. Now first thing, I will show you how to convert any video to slow motion. So this is a video I shot simply walking around. It doesn't look that much dramatic and also it's quite shaky. So tap the video and go to speed option. Slow down the video to maybe 0.2x, 0.3x, so you get a slow motion video which looks cinematic, add some background music and it looks amazing. After you export the video, it will look smooth. Adding good music also make videos very cinematic, and you get the complete music library with different genre and theme, mood, etc. So find the perfect music for your awesome videos, download and add them to the project. Now I showed you before, I will use an object like a wall, lamppost, etc. for transitioning. So how to edit that? Well, first put the object in the middle of the frame, then zoom in a little bit so that it covers the whole frame. Then split the video and discard the second part. For the second video, do the same, and this time delete the first part. After that, we need to add a smooth transition. So go to basic. This is a dissolve transition. Now let's check the preview. So it starts from this scene here, then we get the transition to another scene. Next, I will show you how to make any video cinematic. So this is simple pan shot of my car. Using keyframes in your Filmora mobile app, you can add cinematic movements. So let me give you a demo. First, we will add a keyframe here, then move the playhead a little bit. Then add animation like we can zoom in, rotate or move the video